What really happens to a glass bottle after you recycle it? Most imagine it becomes another bottle, but its journey can be far more extraordinary. With heat and skill, a discarded bottle can be reborn as a vibrant, shimmering bead. Each recycled glass bead is a small victory for sustainability, reducing waste and conserving resources. This transformation turns a problem, waste, into a solution, beauty. Glass beads have been treasured throughout history, woven into cultures as currency, talismans, and symbols. When made from recycled glass, they connect ancient tradition with modern ecological awareness. A simple green bottle or brown jug, each with its own character, is preserved and celebrated in its new form. With imagination, we can transform the world around us, one beautiful bead at a time. Recycled glass beads come in a dazzling array of colors and textures, each with a story. Clear or translucent beads retain the original bottle's color, glowing like sea glass. Powder glass beads, perfected in Ghana, are made by grinding glass into powder, then fusing it in clay molds for a unique ceramic-like texture. Artisans layer colored powders to create intricate patterns, turning each bead into a miniature work of art. Some beads are hand-painted with delicate designs, then kiln-fired for permanence. Even tiny seed beads, once made only from new glass, are now crafted from recycled materials. These beads become the building blocks for elaborate jewelry, woven into shimmering tapestries. All share a noble beginning, glass saved from landfill, given a new chance to shine. The journey of a recycled glass bead begins with cleaning and sorting discarded bottles by color. The glass is broken into shards, then ground into powder for bead making. Simple handmade tools, mortar, pestle, clay molds, are used, relying on skill passed down through generations. The kiln's heat fuses the glass, burning away the stem and leaving a perfect channel. After cooling, beads are washed and tumbled with sand and water for a smooth finish. This process transforms everyday waste into wearable art. From bottle to bead, it's a testament to human creativity and resourcefulness. Finished beads move into the hands of jewelry makers who transform them into necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Each piece is a unique arrangement of color and shape, highlighting the glass's natural beauty. Buying recycled glass jewelry supports ethical economies and celebrates creativity and sustainability. The journey from bottle to bead to jewelry is a powerful metaphor for renewal. It shows how care and vision can turn the disposable into the desirable. The humble glass bead inspires us to see potential in what we discard. With imagination, we can all help craft a more beautiful, sustainable future.